Good morning, students. I am your physical education teacher. Welcome you all are in physical education class. Students, before starting today's topic, I am going to tell you about something about the syllabus of physical education. Students in class 11th, uh, it have 100 marks paper, and total out of 100 70 marks theory and 30% is practical portion. Student, listen very carefully. In practical and theory paper, both you have to separately clear by 33%. Students, there are total number of chapter 10 in physical education theoretical portion. First one is changing trends and career in physical education, which you have been almost completed. And the second one is Olympic value of education. In this chapter you will know about the Olympic games. And third one is physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. In this chapter you will know about the physical fitness. Next one is physical education and sports for CWSN. CWSN means children with special needs. In one word you can say the disabled person, or that is called Divyang. Next one is yoga. In this chapter you will know about the asanas and yoga. Next one is chapter number 6, that is physical activity and leadership training. And second next chapter, test, measurement and evaluation. Here you will, in this chapter you will know about the test, measurement and evaluation in physical education. Through this, you can check the physical efficiency of the particular person or player. Next, chapter number 8, fundamentals of anatomy, physiology and kinesiology in sports. In this chapter you will know about the human anatomy, physiology and kinesiology. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ साइकोलॉजी एंड स्पोर्ट्स. स्पोर्ट्स में साइकोलॉजी का क्या रोल है, ये इस चैप्टर में आप देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट वन एंड लास्ट चैप्टर इज़ दैट इज़ training and doping in sports. Okay, this is all about your syllabus. Now come to the topic. Students, here I am giving you some questions of multiple choice question. Students, in 70% theory or 70 marks question paper, first 20 marks you will get the 1 marks question, that will be in the form of MCQ. So in each and every chapter you have to read very carefully, because all the questions of 1 marks, it can come from the inside of the chapter. Next one is about the text question of the chapter. We in three session which you have been completed all the syllabus of chapter number 1. Here I am giving you some questions of chapter number 1. You have to note down in notebook and do it very clearly, or chapter question number 1 is what is physical education. In this question you have to tell about the physical education and what is the definition of physical education. Question number 2 is enlist the objectives of physical education and explain any two of them. Students, in this question you have to tell about the you have to write about the objectives of physical education, and out of all the objectives of physical education you have to note down, you have to write down about them, any two of them. Next one is question number 3, what is aim of physical education. Here in this question you have to write down about the aim of physical education. What is the aim of the physical education? Next one is about question number 4. What is the aim and objective of Khelo India program? The last topic of this chapter is Khelo India program. So and then what is the aim of Khelo India program and objective of Khelo India program? You have to write about the is this topic. And last topic or question of here, write a note about Khelo India program in detail. You have to write down about the Khelo India program in detail. Okay, students, listen very carefully. You have to note down each and every question very neat and clean form in your notebook, and try to understand all the topics very sincerely. Try to understand. If you find any problem, then you can contact me, feel free, on my personal number which I have provided you in previous session. Student, one thing I want to tell you, you have to purchase the book of physical education, that is of Saraswati publication. So and when you will purchase the book, you have to cross check the syllabus through I have which I have provided you in this in this PDF. Okay, students, thank you.